Hey guys, welcome to another video of Hamster Channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you on how to build a karaoke machine. So for building this karaoke machine, you first need a to install a Android emulator first on PC. And by the way guys, this is all for free, so you don't need to spend money or anything. But the software we need to download, or the emulator later, sorry, it's called BlueStacks. I already downloaded it, but I'll just show you the thing. Okay, so this is BlueStacks. You have to tap on the first link like that, and you just press download and blah blah blah. I already downloaded right here. So oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to turn on your virtualization. So if you want to know more detail to that, you could click on the other video. I'm gonna put it on in the description down below the video. It's called how to install Android emulator on PC. So yeah. So first, let's just go over to BlueStacks. So when you first download it, you have to like sign in on your Google or something. So I already did that, and you have to wait till it loads right now. So it's here. I'm just gonna click Google Play Store. And first, we're going to download YouTube first, because this karaoke machine that we found on Google Play needs YouTube. So what we want to do, so we're going to download YouTube first. So you just type it in, YouTube. And now you just install it. And the next app we're going to install, it's called Sing Karaoke. So Sing Karaoke here. And when you scroll down, it's this one. And you're going to install this one too. So it's all done installing. So it's done installing, and now we're going to go over to library, and we're going to press Sing Karaoke first. So it both finished installing. Now we're gonna press this, and we're gonna go home and press this at the same time too. So you have two of these things open. So now we're gonna just kind of wait for this to load or something like that. I'm gonna do this so you guys can see. Oh yeah, like that. So now I'm gonna plugging my microphone here. So guys, I'm back with my microphone plugged in, and it works. So now you can just Google any song. These songs are all like on YouTube too, but this is like a karaoke one. So you could like Google any songs and Google hamster, because for fun. I have no idea what that song is, but oops, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Just gonna quickly. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's actually a song. Okay, so here you can of course press record or microphone. Oh yeah, you need it like. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna turn the volume up. So when you record it, you could like see record here, and your recordings will be somewhere here. And yeah, have fun. Make sure you have fun doing this, because if you love singing and stuff, those will be perfect for you. So, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy singing. And yeah, bye.